Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Novalift Microglow Eye Patches flooding TikTok shop with claims of professional results overnight and look 10 years younger. But let's separate the facts from fiction. So Novalift markets microneedle patches with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinol, and peptides that dissolve directly into under eye skin. They claim results visible within 1 to 2 days, reduces puffiness and dark circles, stimulates collagen production, and is dermatologist tested. The website states most users see visible improvements in their under eye area within 1 to 2 days of their first treatment. The dissolving microneedles work overnight to deliver active ingredients deep into your skin. Here's the marketing red flags. Classical overselling language. Transform your rapidly aging eyes. Makes you look 10 years younger. It's like getting a professional eye treatment, massage, and premium cream in one. And stop hiding behind concealer. The FDA disclaimer at bottom contradicts the bold claims. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure or prevent any disease. Results may vary and are not guaranteed. What microneedle patches can do. The science is legitimate. Microneedle patches with hyaluronic acid and peptides have research showing they can temporarily improve hydration, reduce puffiness, and smooth fine lines. Brands like Peter Thomas Roth Firm X, Deepology, and Skin Iceland use similar technology with verified results. However, effects are temporary. You're not reversing aging, just hydrating and plumping skin temporarily. The trust problem. Zero independent reviews exist on Trustpilot, Reddit, or established beauty forums for Novalift specifically. The only reviews are on TikTok Shop, which are easily manipulated, or Amazon, which is mixed with other generic brands. One skeptical reviewer noted under eye patches are everywhere again, but most are just skincare cosplay. Don't get distracted by cute packaging. What you're likely getting. Novalift appears to be part of a generic microneedle patch dropshipping wave. Multiple brands all sell identical looking patches on Amazon, suggesting they're rebranded versions of the same Chinese manufactured product. You're probably getting basic hydrating patches that works to some degree but aren't the revolutionary product the marketing suggests. If you want proven microneedle patches, consider Peter Thomas Roth Firm X collagen patches at $65, which is a verified luxury brand with decades of reputation. Beauty editors genuinely love these and real before and after results. Deepology Deep Care Plus micro dart patches at $25 to $35, which is available on Target and Amazon with verified reviews from real users. Or Peace Out Retinol eye patches at $38, which is a clean beauty favorite and available at Sephora, backed by dermatologists. The final verdict: Novalift eye patches, approach with caution. The technology is real, but the brand lacks verification. For the $25 to $40 price, you are better off buying Peter Thomas Roth or Deepology with established reputations, transparent formulas, and verified customer experiences. Microneedle patches work temporarily. Just manage expectations and buy from trusted brands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.